Alright, we are up in the National Forest. We're hunting mountain quail. We got our friend Jack in the back. Wait, stay there, Jack. Bird down. Where'd that thing go? Ah, in a hole. Young of the year. That's why I couldn't find it. Driving down the road, saw one off the side, and we caught up with the covey, and I managed to get this one. So, just a youngin', but pretty cool. First quail of the year. Nice.
Same covey too.
Yeah, those are adults.
Oh, you actually got some cool ones.
No, this thing is giant.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
that guy's big.
That's one of the biggest ones I've ever seen.
It's like a chicken.
Oh, my safety! Darn it! That would have been the easiest shot ever. I think he made it. Nicked him. Ah, dang it. Miss.
I just flushed one in this thick stuff. So I started calling and heard one return my call. I can still hear them. It sounds like a small group of them. All right. Heck yeah, number 3. He's a little guy. Still has a plume though. Superb specimen.
Yeah, there was a whole covey too. So I might have lost 2, but I'm pretty sure it's the same one.
Yeah, that is another nice one. All of yours have been mature.
Yeah.
But they haven't had head feathers. That's weird.
No, not really.
Usually the big ones have really nice head feathers.
That one had a little one.
Yeah, the little one I shot had one. Okay, we got about 10, maybe 15 minutes of legal light left. So we're just gonna walk up this road. Hopefully we'll see some more. I smoked him!
You did. One stop right up there.
How did we miss that first one? Get him. right behind him.
Oh, where's yours?
Right in here.
How did we miss that first one?
No, I don't know. Got him! Yeah, baby. Cool. That is crazy. Pretty much all the ones we found have not had top feathers. Even the mature ones. I got one out of the air and he landed right on this bank. I marked it with a rock, but we've been looking for 15 minutes and I just can't find it.
Well, the sun has set, so that's gonna be it for this evening. I shot okay, managed to down 3 birds. We'll see how many Joel and Jack ended up shooting. But the quail in and around these clear cuts have just been thick. Solid action this evening. I don't think any of us limited, but can't complain at all. I did not get all the kill shots on video, so I apologize for that, but thanks for watching this video anyway, and we will see you out there maybe.